Good afternoon, my name is Jonathan Clark. Welcome to the London EC. We're just going to highlight a couple of things using what we're calling 2-Minute Tuesday, which is going to just give us the opportunity to show you some little known facts or show you how easy it is to use the Polycom solutions in little bite-sized snippets, so you can have it with your cornflakes on a Tuesday morning or with your lunchtime break. Now, Neil has asked me to remind you that if you do like any of the videos that we have here, please give us a thumbs up, or if you want to write some comments, or if there's something that you specifically want to see, please do reach out to Neil. So, as we're on our first little 2-minute snippet, can we have 2 minutes on the clock, please, Neil? Right, we're in a Brexit meeting and we're a bit behind the curve. So we've got to speed things up. In order to make this meeting more effective, I want to get as much content from different providers on that screen as simply as possible. So I've got the agenda slide on my phone, so I'm just going to share that into the meeting using my iPhone. So I'm going to use 0394, this is just going to connect to the system, and there you go, there's my phone joining the screen, and I'm just going to bring my presentation up there, and there it goes onto the screen. There we go. So, Brexit project update. I need to bring up a Gantt chart because that's the first thing we're join. And to do that, I've got my Miracast device. So I'm just going to highlight the, click the connect button on my my device, and it's going to bring up the London Shoreditch Pano again. And I'm just going to connect to that, and that's going to bring up my Gantt chart, which is quite marvellous, and that's got some information about hard Brexit, soft Brexit, quick Brexit, slow Brexit, smooth Brexit, and so on and so forth. But there you go, you've got the content on there, and I can nip and zoom that if I want to on that specific zoom, if I like content. In fact, I can move it around. Now that's showing off because, oh my goodness me, I need my RAG status, red, green or amber. How are we doing on that negotiation? So I've got my laptop here, and this time I'm going to use the little Pano app. So this is I haven't got anything Windows 10 on this device, but I need to get some content in there. Again, it's asking for the code 0394, and then I'll just share my desktop. Well, in fact, I'll share my RAG status, red, amber, green. So you'll see that appearing on the screen as well. So there you go, 3 separate bits of content to help with my presentation, with my discussions, and then I can bring up my blackboard to make some notes on this meeting. So agenda items. Agenda, I'm just going to call this because I'm pretty clever with agendas. And then the other thing I need to do is negotiate. So let's put that up as well. If I could. There we go. So there you've got blackboard, whiteboard, annotation, nipping, zooming, bringing in different content sources simply and easily into my meeting. And there you have it. That's sharing that content both locally and on the call if you wanted to. Oh no, we were just slightly over the 2 minutes for our first session of 2-Minute Tuesday, so it's 2 and a bit minute Tuesday this time, but hopefully we'll get it right for the next week's event. Please do like and subscribe to the channel, but it was a pleasure to see you, so hope to see you again soon where we do get it under 2 minutes.